Hi, Don here. Welcome to the Podiatry Management Minute. Today, I want to talk about an idea that I got. I want to say I stole. I stole this from a physical therapist named Chad Madden, and he has a great website called Get Breakthrough, where he does a lot of marketing, mostly for a physical therapist, but I think he's branching out into other professions as well. I was interviewed on Chad's podcast. And he had this great idea, which I see that he has his kind of those that he coached do. And I gave it a shot, and I liked it. It had good results. But like most things, if you don't keep doing them, you're not going to keep getting the results. But the idea is something called a heel pain workshop. And he calls it a workshop versus a lecture. It's something that's done in your office. You can do it in your office where it probably has the best results, but it can also be done virtually as well if you want to. So what you do is you get together and you try to send out to your list of patients about, you could call it a webinar, you could call it a workshop, whatever you want to do. And this is the one I did. I kind of modified this from his that he has, where he talks about what he goes through. And it has this little sheet. So what you do is when they schedule, you send them this before the event, so they know kind of what they're getting in the event. So heel pain workshop, 3 simple steps to quick and natural healing, kind of presented by, and I took this from Chad's website. So basically I made up my own content to fill in, but you actually you have these things. So the main topic points are what is, let me get a bigger picture here. So what is heel pain? Who am I? What's the biggest mistake most heel pain sufferers make? What are the 3 most common causes of heel pain? What are 3 strategies to reduce heel pain? And how do we treat it successfully? So you have your own way. This is the way I do it. And also there's some important points that I put in here: how to find a heel pain specialist. Do you want to learn more? Get one of the heel pain books on plantar fasciitis or Achilles tendonitis. And if you want to see someone, make an appointment. So this is the handout I actually send them before the workshop. And then during the workshop, you give them another copy and they can fill out the information. And you leave all of this blank. And that creates a lot of unease for them, and they want to know the answer, and it kind of increases their interest of coming to the workshop. So this is something we've done. We've done webinars before. We did this workshop. I had maybe about 10 patients in the office. This was around the time of the pandemic, where it was just ending, and 3 of them became patients. They came to see me. So I think it's a viable way of doing it. It would be great to have it on like a monthly basis on the certain conditions that you want to see most of. For example, plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, things like that. So I thought it was a great idea. I wanted to share it with you. I'd like to know if anyone's trying these workshops or webinars. We've tried both, but that's just an example you might like.